Andrew, can you tell us a bit more about your technology and how it works?
Absolutely. The essence of the platform that Exscientia has developed over the past few years is that we're at the forefront of developing artificial intelligence to be applied to the design of drugs. So what this is about actually is that the algorithms are capable of actually designing molecules and selecting which particular molecules you should make next, and either to design novel compounds to start a project or to efficiently optimize them towards a clinical candidate. The key to this has been not just developing artificial intelligence algorithms, but actually completely integrating them with the expert drug hunting expertise that we have inside the company.
So where did you license your platform from?
Well, we originally developed it inside my academic group, so I also hold a chair at the University of Dundee, and for a period of about 5 years we were developing this internally inside Dundee. Originally we published it as an academic paper in Nature, and then we licensed it from the University of Dundee, and then we formed the company Exscientia to really take the technology to see its full potential.
Tell us a bit more about your collaboration with Sanofi. What are you looking to do in that, and what do you think attracted Sanofi to you?
So one of the really exciting things about developing this technology, it allows us then to think about designing drugs against more complex target product profiles. And we found the technology has been particularly good at developing drugs against what we call bispecific small molecules. So these are low molecular weight molecules that actively hit two targets with high potency. So this then allows you to think about, could I hit two pathways or 2 points in the same pathway? So what was exciting about this for Sanofi is that the concept of having bispecific small molecules opens up a new modality for your portfolio, a new set of potential projects. So what we've been doing then is asking the question of, if you creatively work with the clinicians and the scientists and people in the marketing department, how then if we could start to put two pathways into the same molecule, what sort of new target product profiles, what sort of new product concepts could you come up with? So what we're doing then is seeing this as a creative exercise between thinking about how we create these new concepts for diabetes, for example, how might one combine glucose control with weight loss, and then converting that into an actual small molecule we believe could hit the targets associated with those pathways.
It sounds like a really interesting concept. Why is it no one else has done it before?
The key to it has been developing the platform, and in fact myself and my team have been at the forefront of what's been required to build this. So for example, for many years there was a lot of activity in how do you build the right databases for this. Algorithms are only driven by data. Then we spent a lot of time developing the algorithms, and in fact another key aspect of this was the availability of cloud computing. So only when all of these things start together at the same time do you really get the true potential of a platform coming forward.
So are you looking for any more partnerships?
Absolutely. The platform is agnostic, so we want to apply this to develop as many drugs as possible. What we want to do is do it in 2 stages. One of them is actually build up our own portfolio. So we're currently talking to potential partners of how then we build our own portfolio, particularly in the areas of immuno-oncology and cancer drivers. We're particularly interested in how you could apply evolutionary design to an evolutionary disease like cancer, where hitting multiple pathways could be important. But also, we're building up partnerships like we have done with Sanofi with Informa and Sanofi in the area of CNS, building up applying the technology to the area of diabetes and metabolic diseases like we've done with Sanofi. So we hope to expand those partnerships as we move forward.
Who do you see as your competition?
We don't see ourselves as having anyone else working in the same space as us. We believe where we have got a unique proposition right now is that we're at the forefront of developing, truly applying AI to actual design of molecules.
And in terms of your own products, do you have your own products in the pipeline?
We only started the project a year ago. We're already at the stage of candidate selection with one of our projects with Evotech, and we have another bispecific project with them for immuno-oncology, which is in the lead seeking stage right now.
What milestones has the company achieved so far?
So one of our key milestones was the delivery of the first clinical candidate with diabetic which we announced. And for us, that's the first molecule that's heading towards a clinic has actually been sort of designed by algorithm. We think that's a real first.
What is the company's next big milestone?
The next big milestone is to have, we have quite a number of deals in the pipeline right now. So we expect later this year now to announce some more big deals actually coming forward. The real big milestone is then for our own molecules to be hit in the clinic, and that's where we want to go.